today I'm going to be reinforcing the front forks.
Welcome to T-Man's Go-Karts.
That's right, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be reinforcing that. What I've done is I pulled out the plans and I've pretty much made the front forks again, then just made these long arms shorter by, ooh, look at that. See, when I was welding, look at those damn bees. Look at that crap. They come flying in and they see the ultraviolet light coming from the arcs. They zap themselves and get too close to the heat and fry. Yeah. Alright, but anyways, see, there's two right there. There's one right there. Struggling to survive. Alright, so I ended up cutting these long pieces from the point here to the point here at 4.5 inches. What I'm going to be doing here is I'll have to notch out this chunk right here because that area right there is going to be going into where the weld is at. It's time to notch this out. Now if you look closely, I welded the outside and one side. This side and the underneath are not welded. They're tacked on the underneath. But this side is not welded because that is the side that will be coming in contact with this. Okay? And you see that I've grinded those welds down. So let's whip out my cutting blade and cut this notch out. Alright, got that notch cut out. Sweet. Okay, now I'm going to have to line this all up and tack it into place and make sure everything is correct. Yeah, okay.
Now it's time for a shameless plug. Be sure to check out the links down in the description to the next video, previous video, or another related build.
Now it's time to tack her up. Now I welded the outsides here. Here, let me show you. Okay, you can see I welded the outsides on the flats and all the way around. Can't get in there with my grinder, so with my wire wheel there and there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tire off now and weld up into the corners. Where we're at right now. This thing is so damn hot. See what I did? I welded in the corners. I can't get too close because there's a weld right behind the camera here too. In the corner there. Come on. And then one right there and one right there. I can't really rotate this thing by hand. It's gonna really damn hot right now. Hopefully I didn't put too much weld on there to the point to where the whole thing flexed, because if it did, then my axle isn't gonna fit anymore. So you can see I got that shit real hot. Look at that. See how blue that is? Wow. Yes, I'm talking about right there. That's what you call penetration, when she turns blue. Yeah. No, it looks a little bit better once I cleaned it up with the wire wheel. But I'm sure that's going to be strong. See, that's the, this is the back. Alright guys, well, I got it all reassembled back together. Let me look at it. Come over here. A little bit more light over here. There we go. Yeah, it looks a little better. Yep. Now that should be strong enough. Yep. Well, guess what? I hooked up the handbrake to the mechanical brake back there, and I took it out for a simple little spin, and it would slow me down, but it wouldn't stop me. I don't know if my cable is strong enough or it's stretching or what, but I came back over here, I readjusted this, did some readjustments down there, took it back out. Heck, even when I just start pushing this thing, you know, it'll stop, but it just does not apply enough pressure to get it to really stop. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take off that mechanical brake and put on the hydraulic brake caliper. This just was not working, and I'm not even done with this thing yet. I still have to put on gussets, I still have to put on the paneling, the seat. You know, you're looking at another almost maybe 20 pounds more going on this thing. So the hydraulic brake is going to have to be what I'm going to use. And yeah, dang it. Not looking forward to that just because, well, you know. But I'll figure something out here. She just was not stopping me. And believe me, I was squeezing this damn thing as tight as I could all the way back, and it wouldn't stop me. Because remember, a few winters ago, I stuck these on the Manco go-kart, and I drove that thing around with these big tires on, and you know, I'd slam down on the brakes, and it wouldn't really lock these things up. You know, I'm just going to go with the hydraulic brake on this thing. So I'll probably start hacking this thing apart tomorrow, and I'll probably work on the mount for the hydraulic brake. I got the brake sitting over here, and I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to mount that. And yeah, I think I've got a good idea. It's just trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this. That's the only problem. I just don't like this stuff being so close to the torque converter. I like all my stuff being easily accessible for the most part. I don't want to have to take my brake off, my brake master cylinder off, to remove my torque converter. You know, I don't want to have to do that. So I don't know. I'll figure something out. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna get on out of here, get in the house and edit this video, then throw it up on YouTube. So I'd like to welcome all of my new subscribers, because I've been gaining a good amount of you guys for the past well, pretty much ever since I started this build. Seems like a lot of you guys are into the bike stuff, so that's pretty cool. So welcome to my channel, and if you can help spread the word, that'd be great. I'm always looking to grow. I mean my channel and my subscriber base, that's what I'm talking about, of course. Yeah. Alright guys, well, take it easy. Bye bye.
Be sure to check out the links down in the description to the next video, previous video, or another related build.
Come fast, come take the wheel and drive.